It's March month here in Western Newfoundland, and winter's cold grip seems to be slowly letting go. The days are getting longer and the snow is melting. I recently got a couple new gadgets and I've been dying to test them out. So today, me and my beautiful wife are headed into the woods to test out a few of these cool gadgets. We're going to be enjoying a delicious moose meat lunch with all the toppings and enjoying a cup of coffee as the sun sets over the hills. So tag along and join us as we enjoy this beautiful evening in Western Newfoundland. Y'all, welcome back to another video. Today we're not far off the TCH, but I got some new gadgets I want to try out. I got a hot tent sent to me, and as well as a little heater and a cooktop 2-in-1. So I'm excited to show you guys it, and I'm excited to test it out. It's a beautiful day, blue skies, not a draft of wind, and me and my beautiful wife are out here for a little date. Nanny and Poppy got the little one, so we're gonna enjoy this little outing this evening. So come along, and we hope you enjoy. No, you're right. Yeah, this is, come up here a little. Alright, this looks like as good a spot as any. Now, you take your chair. You take your throne, sweetheart. Alright, so on the menu today we got some moose meat taco burrito mixture. I got big tortilla wraps. And I don't have rice is the only thing, so I guess you can't consider it a burrito. But I do got some lettuce, tomato, red onion, sour cream, salsa, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. My beautiful wife, she's over there starving to death, so we got to get this here tent set up. So this here is a Cabin 3X hot tent by Dandelion Shell. I had seen this here hot tent on Amazon, and I decided to message the company because I was going to purchase it anyway, and they agreed to partner with me and to do a little bit of a video. I plan on doing an overnighter in this, but for the time being, this is my first time kind of getting out and setting it up. So I wanted to do that today in a beautiful evening while we still have a bit of sunlight. I think there's a bit of rain coming now in the next couple of days. So yeah, this here is it's a bit of a compact hot tent, but it comes with a stove jack. I already got my wood stove and everything, so it's pretty neat, and I'm glad I got it. So thanks again to my friends at Dandelion Shell. I'll put the link in the description of the video for this here same hot tent. And if you live in the northern climates like we do, when you get a lot of snow and cold weather, you know, why not try a bit of winter camping, you know, rather than wait for the summertime. So it comes with these here poles that you put on either end of the tent, some pegs. I think this here might be the floor mat. Just hold this. I don't really have it anchored down the best. The ground around us is all soft, and some parts I went down about 2 inches, and then I hit into frost. So, but for now, it don't look too bad, I don't think. When I goes out and spend the overnight in there, I'm going to really tune it in and dial it in. Here's the stove jack. Yeah, pretty impressed. We never decided to use the floor mat just because we're not really using the stove today. But yeah, don't look too bad. What do you think, sweetheart? You're right there. You think not bad? It's definitely a compact hot tent. Yeah. Alright, so for our cooking system today, we get the Firemaple Sunflower X. This is a bit of a isobutane heater as well as you can cook on it. The fans opens like that. You got legs on the bottom. There you go, and your connection is right here. That's what we're gonna cook on today. All right, so we kind of got her all dialed in here now. We're gonna put the burner on my cutting board on our stool, our fabric stool. So hopefully all goes well.
Oh dear.
All right, here, and we'll have enough in that pan for all this, eh?
Yeah, should.
All right, there you go. Now, in a situation where we would have the doors closed, which is not today because it's like 9 degrees outside or 11 degrees, it's very important to have a carbon monoxide detector in here in a closed area. But we're safe. We got 2 of the doors open, wind's blowing through. We're fine. In this little seasoning bag, we got salt, pepper, poppy raised, garlic powder, onion powder. Good, eh? I think this here though still puts in some good heat. Well, I was out fiddling around with the drone. Seems like the theme of our last video. And Mama cooked up the hamburger meat. So that's really the only thing that got to be cooked. We got lettuce, tomato, everything else. We'll just cut up and add on to our taquitos, the burrito tacos. And that is 100% lean moose meat. Moose meat where it's wild game, it don't have much fat on it. So a lot of times people will mix half and half with beef or whatever, or maybe just add a little bit of oil or anything like that before you're frying it. But we never had that today. I forgot it, so we used just a bit of water. It's a non-stick pan anyway, so yeah, all right. All right. Can't beat an old-fashioned meal of tacos. It's a bit of a comfort food, isn't it? I would consider it a comfort food. Easy, delicious, and healthy. But this is a bit of a Newfoundland spin, I'll say. Not everywhere in the world can you get moose meat tacos.
Gotta still put it in like the tiniest little dinky bag.
Oh yeah, this is what you call luxury. Some people's husbands take them, you know, to fancy restaurants. I take mine in the woods. Yes, ma'am. What may I get for you? Hamburger meat first. There's the airport here, then.
I remember when you took me out there and we were waiting to see a plane go over each and everything.
There's just some bit of salsa. That's only. All right, this is what we're messing with here. Look at this. Look. Would you like me to wrap it for you as well? Wow. I'm impressed with that. Well, I'm absolutely loving these longer evenings. It's like, what, like 7 o'clock now or something?
It's close to it.
And it's just like sunshine, beautiful weather. It's the middle of March, but it's like warm temps. But I can't wait for summer. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Cheese, we have to have a cheese.
Didn't I bring cheese?
That was it.
I bought it. Oh, don't tell me I forgot cheese. Hot peppers. All right. It looks absolutely delicious. We got moose burger meat. We got red onions, tomatoes, lettuce. We got some banana peppers, some hot peppers, sour cream, and salsa verde. And this is absolutely gonna be delicious. I couldn't really get an elegant fold like Anita, so like cousin Jarrett, so now just close your eyes to eat it. Well, that first one was absolutely delicious. I inhaled that one. What do you think? Another one? Oh, me too, sister. That was good. Boy, I just kind of got it. All right, taquito number 2. All right, taco or burrito or whatever, taquito number 2. Man, that was an absolute delicious supper. The sun looks like it's just about to set, maybe another half an hour, 40 minutes or so. I'm really impressed with this here tent. When I get time and when I go out for overnighter in it, I'll get a chance to dial it in more and tie off a little better with a little more trees and that around me. It's not that hard to set up, but it just takes a little bit of time. As well, that little Firemaple Sunflower X stove, really impressed with the quality of that. It's a bit of a Swiss Army knife. If I go out ice fishing maybe next year, it can work as a space heater as well as a cooktop, right? So you can leave it on at a low flame and it'll keep pumping out heat for you, or put your pan on it like we did today and enjoy a delicious lunch. May 2-4 weekend usually has a tendency to be a bit colder, but you could set this thing up, put the stove in there. I don't think you would have issue at all. So I think we're going to boil the kettle here now and have a cup of coffee each before we pack up and head out. It's been a great evening before we get to a little bit of dirty weather, and yeah, super cool, super cool. All right, we're gonna boil the kettle now. Anita feels a little chilled, she said. It is a bit chilly out, but this here little heater should it makes it feel warmer already. Feel that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, all right, let that boil and look out, coffee time. Giving up some good eat. Mm-hmm. All right, just turned it off and she's still radiating a lot of heat. And now I have a cup of coffee. You know, which one did I drop in the mud?
Good one.
For sweets. All right. Cheers to the Green Cup Club, all the boys. Mm-hmm. Sweet girl. Pretty good way to spend the evening. Yeah. So unfortunately I never got to do overnighter in my ice fishing tent this year. Me and Anita went out actually in really the first and last trip in her out at the smelts. I had a bit of a bug last weekend and I wasn't able to get out. It seemed like the last 4 or 5 days, last week, we've had crazy warm weather, warm winds, rain, and 75% of our snow was gone here on the west coast. And a lot of the ice melted out on the lake. But anyway, I might be tagging along with my buddy Jim with Black Spruce Country, going to his off-grid log cabin, and that'll be pretty cool. Other than that, come on summer. That's all I got to say.
Happy 3 months to our baby boy.
And happy 3 months to our little man. We're a little sad today, we're gone from him.
Yeah.
But I want to take and eat out of the house. A lot of times I'll get home in the evenings, whatever, and we don't get to do much. So I think it's important for us to value getting out like this here and just spend the evening together and having lunch and whatnot. But yeah, we really miss our little man today. He's so sweet. Where are you going? All right, y'all. Well, that was a delicious coffee and a great little evening out with my beautiful wife. And I want to thank Dandelion Shell and Firemaple for their awesome products. So again, I'll put the product links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you guys coming along on this little evening outing with us. Sun's about to set and the temperatures are dropping. So we're gonna get my love back to the car and I'm gonna take down this tent. So thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you click like and subscribe and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Say subscribe.